Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share my birthday haul. It is a very small haul and I will be giving some mini reviews about all the products that I have used so far. So without any more further delay, let's just jump straight into the video. So first haul is from Conscious Chemist as they were running buy 2 get 4 and buy 3 get 5. So I had to pick up their Sun Drink sunscreen. I have 3 with me, and then I also picked up their newly launched 7 Ceramides Milky Toner. When I saw this, I really placed my order then and there itself. Now let me also tell you that I stay away from Milky Toner because this is something which does not go with my skin type. I get rashes and bumps whenever I have used Milky Toner. It has happened with me in the past, but because I have a dry combo skin in the summers, extremely dry skin in the winters, so still I wanted to give this a try because it is affordable and from an Indian made brand. So I have been trying it out for a week and I think it's too early to talk anything about it. So I'm thinking of finishing off it very soon and then going to share my share of thought. And in 1 week I came to the point that this is a very lightweight toner that seeps into your skin immediately without leaving any kind of oily residue or something. It's kind of moisturizing and hydrating, and my dry skin did not face any kind of skin irritation or any bumps whatsoever. And about that Sun Drink sunscreen, this is something I really love because it is fragrance free and it has SPF 50 PA 4 times plus with UVA and UVB protection, and this does not leave any white cast whatsoever. Once you blend it into your skin, it gives you a very beautiful, healthy, luminous glow which does not have any shimmer particles by any means. It is a very hydrating sunscreen which has a lot of ceramides in it, and I am really loving this, and that is why I had to keep a backup because this 50 ml tube does not last for too long. One tube lasted for me for less than a month because I use it every day. Even if I'm indoors, I use the 2-finger method. So I have no idea how much it has protected my skin from tanning, but I think it is doing a great job. And with my Conscious Chemist order, I received 2 freebies. One is their the Defender Peptide Retinol Night Cream, which is this one, and the other one is Nail Magic, which is their barrier repair all-in-one cream. I haven't used it. I'm planning to try it out and see how it works on my skin. If I like everything goes right, then probably I will get a full size for sure. Then from Myntra, I restocked on my favorite minimalist skincare. Let me just show you what all products I got. The first one is their 10% multi-peptide night serum, which I totally use it at night, and after finishing one bottle I came to know that yes, it is doing something for my skin because the next morning I wake up, my skin feels very refreshed, very rejuvenated, and it also plumps and hydrates my skin to an extent. The next one I restock on my 2% hyaluronic acid. This is a must have because my dry skin really love the feel of this hyaluronic acid. The next one is 5% niacinamide serum. This is again a must have in my skincare routine. Well, if you guys are interested to know my entire skincare routine, which is very minimal, I don't do a lot with my skin, let me know down in the comments. I'll definitely come up with a video soon what all products I use. And then I received this minimalist sun stick with SPF 50 as a freebie. So this is a stick form. I tried to use it on my hand, but let me tell you guys, I did not enjoy the texture whatsoever. It comes in this kind of retractable stick. It feels very heavy and leaves that oily residue. You can come to know that something is there which is just sitting on the top layer of your skin and it is not doing anything. So for that reason, I am not going to use it because you have seen that I restocked on my favorite Sun Drink sunscreen from Conscious Chemist. So yes, I'm going to pass it on to someone. And the next I picked up Swiss Beauty Dew It Up liquid blush. This is in the shade 02 Muted Pink. Let me just give you a swatch, you guys. So that's the shade Muted Pink. Now on me, it gives a very subtle flush of color to my cheeks, but if you are light to medium skin tone, this shade is going to show up well on you. I think you have got 2 more deeper shades. Total you get just 4 shades, and I really like the dewiness it provides. It does not contain any shimmer or glitter particles, and it just blends into your skin like magic without lifting the base makeup. I have already posted a short video on this. Please head on to my channel. You'll find various of contents. I will also try and link it here on the card section. And the last product from Swiss Beauty is the newly launched SPF 50 PA Triple Plus Protect Max Sunscreen Air Mist, which has UVA and UVB protection. It is lightweight, no white cast, infused with niacinamide, gives you broad spectrum shield. Even you can wear it on the makeup. I have already posted a short video on this as soon as I received it and tried it out, and here is what I feel about it. Now this has a air mist, but I feel it doesn't give you an even spray all throughout. Wherever you are using it on your body part, you will have to use your finger to blend it out on the area where you are trying to spray it. Next thing I noticed that if you're wearing it over makeup like I did, I tried to spray it on top of my makeup and my makeup broke down. It melted on me and it felt so heavy. It was feeling so oily. I felt my skin was extra greasy when I sprayed it on top of the makeup. Your skin is, or your face is going to sweat very heavily, and it is going to run down or melt down your makeup. That is what I have felt. Though it does not give you that much white cast, but yes, it has a very subtle white film that if you look very closely you will come to know. And this 50 ml aerosol can is not going to last you more than 4 to 5 uses, because if you are planning to use it after every 3 hours, it is not going to last you so long. So I think it is just waste of money. You cannot invest in something that is not going to last you even for 15 days. For me, it just lasted for 4 days, you guys. Like, I was reviewing and the product got finished and nothing is there. If I try to spray it, nothing comes off. It is just the air which comes off, and the product is completely empty. So I would not recommend you getting it at any cost. Next, I had to restock on my favorite Bioderma Ectoderm Intensive Balm, and I restocked on the 200 ml quantity. If they had 500 ml, then too I would have restocked, but I think you just get 3 sizes in this. But this one tube lasted me a really long time, say for a year or so. So I always like to restock when I see a good discount. This has a thicker consistency, so I like to use it during night. It soothes my skin. If I have a lot of inflammation and some product did not suit me well, if I get skin irritation, this helps to calm my skin a lot. So that is why I like to use it, especially at night, because during night I need something heavy, something thick that is going to hydrate and nourish my skin from within. And this, I think, goes to my skin's extra layers, and it just penetrates and does its work. Next, I picked up Inside Cosmetics Mega Cover Concealer. I have heard a lot of good things about it, and this is in the shade MNY25. Here is the packaging. The packaging is premium quality and it looks very similar to Flower Beauty Concealer. And here is the shade MNY25, which is a very medium neutral yellow shade with hint of oliveish tone to it. And this shade, I use it as my brightening concealer under my eyes and center of my face. I do not use this anywhere else to color correct. It has a medium coverage, dries up quickly, so you will have to be quick with your blending game, and it does not settle in my crease line whatsoever. Feels absolutely lightweight and hydrating to an extent. Alright, next I had to restock on my favorite COSRX Advanced Nail 92 all-in-one cream from Macaroon. They were having some great discount, and with coupon and vouchers it comes down to a very steal deal. Now this one tub lasted me a good 1 year, so I always like to keep a backup whenever I see it on discount, and this is does a great job. I have a dry skin. It has a slimy, gooey kind of texture, but once you blend it out onto your face, it adds a lot of hydration, seeps immediately without leaving any kind of oily residue or anything. Any skin type can use it, but I heard some might be allergic to it. So if you do not have sensitive skin type, probably you can try using this. If you're not allergic to snail mucin kind of thingy, then you can totally opt for this. And coming on to the last product of this haul, it is from Inside Cosmetics that I recently picked up from Nykaa. They have launched their Mousse lipstick in a bullet form. I have already posted a review giving you an in-depth view what I felt while using these lipstick, the way it is, giving you the swatches on bare skin and with makeup on. So if you guys are interested, please head on to my description box. And here is the inner packaging. You will get all the tea in that video, you guys. Now let me just give you the swatches of all the 3 shades I picked up for my brown skin. It was really a task because, as you know, you do not get proper swatches mentioned in the website or on Nykaa app. They are not true to whatever you see in the swatches. So the first shade is Raspberry Chocolate. It is one of my favorite shade, you guys. This, it has a pinkish, brownish, mauvish undertone. Here is the next shade, that is Plum Cake. I really love this one as well. It is perfect for brown skin. And the last shade is little bit on the nude side. If you are light to medium skin tone, probably you will find this shade very flattering on you. So this is the shade Pink Cupcake, and that's how it looks like. It is a beautiful peachy pink shade. It's warm tone, and yeah, I think with this top this shade will look flattering, but I need a lip liner whenever I try to use it on makeup. On bare skin I did not like that much, but yes, on full glam makeup on, I can probably carry this shade very well. And because April was my birthday month, so you know what happens when you shop from Nykaa, you are liable to get a free gift. This time I got a gift from K Beauty. It is their matte drama matte lipstick, which is enriched with grapeseed oil and red raspberry. You get 4.2 grams of product, and the shade I received as a freebie is Muse. I really like the packaging, but let me show you the shade. That's how it looks like. It is such a, you know, not to my liking, gray taupey kind of shade. I don't know who is going to buy the shade. It is not even going to look good on Indian skin tone. Leave about lighter skin tone. And on my brown skin, I will not even try to pull off this shade. But yes, I think this is going to work fine as my contour shade. I think it is going to add some shadow. So yeah, let's see. I will try and use it as my contour. It is just that this should not get heavy and it should not transfer a lot. They say it is a matte formulation, so let's see. I'll have to try and make it to some use. If I don't, I will just trash it in a dustbin because it is of no use. And I have always seen that Nykaa gives you gifts which is lying in their warehouse, which is of no use. People don't buy it, or it is near expiry, so they give freebies as this, which is not even worth the money. Alright you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, you might also like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi. And I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.